choose a stock using fundamental analysis. Financial expert Anuj Kapil will explain about this now.
Coming back to the fundamental pointers for the stock selections. So these are my filtration process, and I'll take proud to share to all of my distributors and investors also. These are some of my key parameters for stock selection where I like return on equity should be greater than 15%, EPS growth on a year-on-year base, it should be above 10%, debt to profit ratio less than to 4x. And then coming to the business model, it has to be a market leader. It has to have some kind of moat. It has to have some kind of market share. It has to have some kind of competitive advantage over their peers in the same sectors. And the company should have low cyclability. So when cycle is low, then we are going to make money on the basis of return on equity over a period of time. Like if I look at the cement cycle runs from like October to the May. So that is a very strong cycle, and it has very low potency because when there is a rain during May to September, the cement consumption becomes very low, or the infrastructure spending will be low because in the rain you cannot put so much of cement. So the consumption of cement goes very low. So we make the position accordingly that from September to around April, then we are going to have a good amount of profit in the cement stocks. And what is their valuation when we are going to enter in the start of the cycle? Coming back to management team, corporate governance is something which I put it on the number one, my filtration process. So we check that there should be a high level of ownership. We check there is a MD, there is a CEO. What is the company's promoter succession plan? What their childs are doing, what their children are doing, and what is their education? What in the past, what projects they have completed and how they have performed, how the company and their employees are perceiving the promoter's succession plan. Then coming back to the board of directors, what kind of board of directors are there? What kind of independent directors there? What is their education? Where else they have contributed in their life? So they can contribute it more in this company. So that is the point we seek in the corporate governance, and how they are allocating their capital for the future prospects. So the capex they are doing from their internal accruals, that is one of the major points. If somebody is doing capex from their internal accruals, I'll be the most happiest person, because when they are going to invest some of the profit in their growth, then the return of capital employed will increase. And then the ROIC, that is return on invested capital, will increase over a period of time. And that is how our return on equity will increase. And that is how our return on the stocks invested will increase. So that is our basic stock selection process. And on the market valuation point, we make a valuation model and we'll try to purchase at the half of estimated value in the 5 years. Right now, the last point, market valuation and 5-year valuation model, and where I like to purchase something on estimated value, half of the estimated value. Right now, it cannot happen because market is on the peak.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.